Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm super excited to share with you all the really cool products that I received from Madam Glam. And I'm also really excited to take you through a little bit of a let's do our manicures together type of video and share with you and show with you a quick tutorial on how I like to do my manicures at home, especially these really cool gel manicures that I think are perfect for working moms. So if you want to check out how I do my nails at home, definitely keep on watching. For those of you who might be new, thanks for checking this out. I am a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I really love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to my reselling experience on Poshmark and eBay. So if that kind of thing sounds at all interesting to you, definitely keep on watching. Check out my other videos linked down below, and please also consider hitting that subscribe button. So for today I have a little bit of a fun tutorial video for you. And first of all, I want to thank Madam Glam for reaching out to me and sending me some of these products I'm going to unbox for you today and letting me kind of check out their line. Besides the fact that these items were gifted to me, this video is in no way sponsored, so hopefully I can give you my honest first impressions and opinions on these products and let you know what I truly think of them as well and how they work for me. So for those of you who may not know me yet, I'm a full-time working mom and I also have 4 young kids at home. So I really don't have time these days to go to get professional manicures done anymore, let alone gel manicures. And then you throw on the pandemic and all that anxiety that goes along with that, and I'm really just not getting out of the house at all to do manicures anymore. So really what I do is I do my manicures at home, and for me it's definitely relaxing. I do my nails after my kids are all tucked into bed, so I have a little bit of quiet time for myself. So that's really when I love to do my nails. I really love gel manicures because of how long lasting they are, and I really love how beautiful and shiny the nails look when they're done. But I just haven't really tried out gel manicures myself at home, to be honest. So I'm really excited that I've had the opportunity to check out these products from Madam Glam and share with you how you can do really affordable gel manicures at home. So like I mentioned, these items were sent to me from Madam Glam, and they're really kind to send me a couple of fun products. So I do have the LED light here, which I'll share with you guys. And I also got this really fun pack up of items, and as you can see, a really cute box. And I'm going to change the camera angle in a minute and kind of share with you the products in more detail and show you how I actually do my nails as well. So if you want to check out some of these products yourself and do your own manicures at home, definitely consider using my referral link in the description box down below. And by using that referral link and putting in my code MODMOMM30, you will save 30% off of your order. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started and change the camera angle a little bit to show you the products and my nails in a lot more detail. Okay guys, so here we are on my bathroom counter, and I'm going to share with you some of the products and unbox them for you. Plus I'm also going to go ahead and do a little tutorial and do my left hand. I've already done my right hand here, so I'm really liking how it came out. So I want to share with you kind of how I did that. So here are the really beautiful products that I received. So the first is this UV LED light, as you can see here. And I will demo this, of course, for you, but it's a really super cute mini light to use. That's perfect for travel, I will say, and I will demonstrate how this works. But I thought that was a really, really fun, really compact light to use for the manicuring. And then the other box, of course, here are the main products, and it says Madam Glam New York, of course. And I believe this company was founded in 2014, and they have a ton of products online, so including over 800 nail shades to check out. And they have different formulations as well. I really love the packaging, as you can see here, super pretty. I love this pop of pink color. And I received several of their products to try out, as you can see here. So the first here is the actual base coat, as you can see. So it's very typical kind of classic base coat, which I will try out in a minute. And then of course here I also received the top coat. And then I received 2 of their gel polishes. It's the Soak Off Gel Polish. And I love these nude colors. So for my profession, since I'm in healthcare, I really cannot wear super long nails, first of all. I love long, beautiful nails and manicured nails. I have since I was really a little girl, but at work I just can't do it because I need to examine patients, of course. So I have to wear my nails really short, as you can tell, but that doesn't stop me from keeping them well polished. But because of my work as well, I also need to wear neutral colors in general. Sometimes I put push the limits a little bit and wear a little bit of a pop of color, but in general, I try to gravitate toward more neutral colors. And these colors are perfect for me, so I'm so happy about the selection. This first one here is this beautiful nude color, as you can see, and it's called Proud Nude. So this is one that I have not tried yet, but I am going to be trying this in future videos, and I'll let you know what I think. And then the other color that I received here is the one that I have currently tried on my right hand. I'm going to demo today. It's this beautiful little baby pink color, as you can see there. And this one is called Baby Pink. So the name is really fitting, and it's just a gorgeous, beautiful pink shade. Okay, and then the final product that I received here is a little bit of a different formulation. It's their one-step gel polish. So again, I have not yet tried out this particular formulation, but I believe this is one that's going to be super fast and easy because it includes both the base coat and top coat and the color. So I think it's kind of one and done. So I'm definitely going to check this out next probably, but this is a beautiful color. It's called Simple Tan. Hopefully you can see the color there. But again, a very perfect neutral type of tan color. So I'm excited to try out this other formulation, just really kind of one and done type of manicure. So we'll see how that works out. I will mention that all of these products are cruelty free. They also are gluten-free, I believe, and they are nine-free, which means that they are free of all of the bad for you chemicals, including formaldehyde, toluene, and a whole list of others. So these are very kind of good for you type of nail polishes, I would say. So I'm also super happy about that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started and show you how I do my nails. So the first step, of course, is to clean your nails really well, and I've already done that. I took out the previous polish I had on with a normal nail polish remover because they weren't gel nails, and I filed them down, and as you can see, my nails are really beat up. I'm a little embarrassed to show you even, and it's because I literally wash my hands over 50 times a day, both with the combination of the work I do, but also with my little kids at home. In this time of the pandemic, I definitely wash my hands a ton. So my hands and nails really take a beating. So because I'm super hard on my nails every day, in addition to super hard on my manicures, it's super important for me to pick manicures or polishes that have long-lasting potential, such as gel manicures, because I just don't have the time to touch up my nails constantly and to do my nails every single week. So I'm really hoping that these gel polishes have really good staying potential for me. So these are my beat up nails, but I clean them. It's important that you have them super dry as well so that the polishes can adhere to them well. And I did file them down a bit too. So I think they're ready to go for the base coat. So again, here's the base coat that I'm going to put on first. And it's just a clear base coat like they all are in general, but I'm going to put a very thin layer on my nails. And one of the issues is really keeping a very thin layer of all of these polishes, really. I think when I did my other hand a bit ago, I was a little bit heavy-handed on the polishes. So there is a little bit of transfer on my skin, more than I would normally like for these. So these polishes are a little bit thicker, I think, than some of the other polishes I've tried, the conventional polishes. So just be a little wary of not being too heavy-handed when you apply these. Okay, so with this set, every single step needs to be cured with the light. And I received their little mini light here. And this is super cute, like I said. It's perfect for travel or on the go, but just a really fun little UV light. And it's powered by a USB, so I just have my basic little simple power bank here, but you can plug it into your laptop or any other USB port, and it'll work on the go, which is super nice because I always have these little USB power packs with me at all times these days to charge my phone and other devices, so this is really convenient. And this just plugs in the side here, a typical port here. Just plug it in right here. And then I put out the little feet here as well to help it stand up, so it's really cute and compact. And there you have it. The light works like that. So one press, I believe, is 45 seconds. If you press it twice, it'll stay on for 60 seconds. So it's super easy to use. And with these, I believe you have to cure it for about 30 seconds to 2 minutes per step. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my light and press it twice for the minute. go ahead and cure my nails. Okay, so now my base coat has been cured, and I'm gonna go ahead and reach for my polish here. And the polish I'm reaching for today, again, is the baby pink shade that I received that I've done my other hand with as well. So it's this beautiful pop of pink color, perfect for this time of year and the spring months. I really love these baby pink kind of neutral shades. So this is the perfect pink for me. So I'm really excited to kind of put this on my nails on my left hand and see how they work out. Just so you know, of course, again, with this formulation, it's a little bit thicker than a conventional nail polish. So that was partly my mistake on my other hand, where I was a little heavy-handed applying the polish, and there was some bleeding on the sides of my nails. So if you apply just a thin layer, I think it'll work out a lot better for you and be a lot easier to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the first layer. I applied a little swatch on my thumb already, but I'm going to go ahead and finish my thumb and then the rest of my nails here to kind of show you guys how I do it. So here is a single coat, and again, it's not perfect, but usually my single coats are never perfect. It's when you put the second coat on that it really pops with color. But pretty simple to use. I was trying to have a really light application on them, so now I'm going to go ahead and cure these nails. Okay guys, so the first coat has been cured and I'm ready to add my second coat of polish. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Again, being very mindful of not putting too much polish on. Okay, so my second coat of polish is done and it's time to cure these again. Okay, so my nails have been cured and now just time for the final top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and reach for that. So I will also mention that the quality of the bottles is really excellent as well. You can tell it's really great quality material, but also there's a nice gripper handle here too, which makes it super easy to use. So this is the top coat that I'm just going to apply in the same way. Okay, so it's time to cure them one final time. Okay guys, so my nails are all done. I don't know what you guys think, but I think they came out pretty well. Of course, there's a little bit of messiness on the edges, but usually that wears off after, you know, a little bit of time with just hand washing. So overall, I think they came out really pretty. And the last step, of course, for I think any gel manicure is you want to rub away some of the normal sticky residue that is on the nail. And this part always makes me nervous because I feel like it's a little bit tacky still. So I get scared to just kind of rub on top of it. But once you cure your nails, they are done. So you want to remove that little bit of tackiness on top of your nails, and that will prevent other random bits of lint and things sticking on your nails and ruining your beautiful manicure. So I just have a bottle here of regular alcohol, and I'm gonna go ahead and use one of my little makeup wipe pads here, and then just go ahead and put a light spray of alcohol on it, and then you just want to go on top of the nail. Just bite the bullet and do it, and nothing comes off, of course. I always get nervous that I'm going to pull off the nails, but you know, the polish is on there tight, and it actually feels super nice because once you rub off the little bit of residue, it's a perfect, beautiful, shiny finish on your nail. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for all of the nails right now. And there is the finished product. So I don't know what you think, but I think they turned out pretty well. I can tell there's a really nice solid coat on there, so I think they look really, really pretty. But overall, really happy with the result. I think they feel really nice, and overall it was pretty simple. Alright guys, so there you have it. That was my at-home gel manicure. Actually my first at-home gel manicure I've ever done. And these are the results. So although not perfect by any means, I do not claim to be a manicurist, I think they turned out pretty well, and I'm super happy. I'm really excited to see how these wear with time, so I will update you on future videos what I think about them going forward. I'm also super excited to try out some of their other products from the line as well. So if you have any questions about gel nails, this manicure set, or Madam Glam, definitely leave them in the comments down below. Please also comment down below if you have any tips for me on how I can improve my at-home gel manicures as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.